Oh, I'm on my knees.
Okay, guys, this is our intro video. We're going to start Q&A questions. So leave comments below on the questions that you want us to ask. And all credit goes to Jestry and Nathan for inspiring us to do this, even though she won't talk. Okay, anyway. Ow.
I'm sorry.
And it's like 2:24 in the morning, so it's kind of out there a little bit.
Dude, we have to go to work tomorrow. It's not work, it's basically work.
Plus the public library. Damn, we gotta get up early, and it's like 2:24 in the morning. Maybe we should have went to bed when my brother told us to. Okay, but anyway, I got off subject. I'm so sorry, but
ADHD. Yep, ADHD.
Yeah, I kind of have ADHD. I can't stand still for anything.
Bush slaps me a lot. I love her. Hey.
Okay. Ow! But anyway, so we are going to start Q&A, so I would love it if y'all guys would leave questions below. And
I love you too.
We should also be starting random videos. Like whenever we get bored, we're gonna start random videos too, and I don't know what else to say. Is there anything else we're leaving out?
Sorry that we look like crap.
Yeah, also sorry we look like shit. We're going to look better when we record.
Hopefully.
And the camera's sucky quality goes to my brother for having a stupid computer.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Edward. Yeah. No, he's not Edward Cullen, and he's nowhere close. He does not sparkle in the sunlight.
Edward Cullen sucks, man.
Yes. And
I do not say that.
yeah, I'm still off of any of them. Let's just like fucking murder them all. But
especially Bella.
Yeah.
What's that?
My dog, he's fucking retarded. Okay.
Dog fart.
Oh no! Oh, and we also are going to do a video of what pisses us off.
Yep.
And it might be kind of bad because we're fucking horrible with the computer. But, so, we're going to be popping up at random times. And anyone who's easily offended, please do not watch this video. There's going to be random pop-ups of us.
Yeah.
Because we're going to have one person off the side while one person says it, then the other person off the side while the other person says it. We're going to be popping up in weird directions. And hopefully we'll get it how we want it, but might not go that way.
First time I've ever done this.
And, it should look a lot better in daylight if I ever do a video in daylight.
If your brother ever goes away.
Yeah. Well, he is going away for 3 months to boot camp.
Yeah.
So, we'll have that time. But,
it's pretty sad though.
Anyway, video games rock. I don't know, that was random.
Yeah, had to come out.
Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. Okay, but anyway, on to the subject. What was the subject here?
Mainly just telling them
what we're gonna do. Okay.
Yeah.
And by the way, if you haven't figured it out, I'm Alex, and this is Jaden.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
We don't go by our real names anyway, but
the real name sucks.
Yeah, but yeah, just basically leave questions below, telling what our questions, and leave it for our names. Like, if you want to ask me, say Alex. If you want to ask her, say Jaden. Because we don't know who you're asking. Or if you want to ask both, don't leave a name.
Yeah. Hey, hopefully we can get our next cockroach attack.
Oh god. Never ever shoot a cockroach, because then it will swarm an army.
It sucks.
I hate my ADHD.
I love it.
But anyway, that was really loud. But anyway, oh, and yeah, never mess with an iron and put it on an unflattened surface, because I burned the shit out of my leg doing that.
why don't you search it?
And then my leg burned, kind of like ripped a little bit, and it hurt like hell.
I know. It hurts.
You shouldn't know what an iron burn feels like.
You'd be surprised.
Like one of those iron burns.
Yeah. You'd be surprised.
And you know what's kind of weird? In the background, I have Nathan's channel in the background.
Oh, you should have just noticed that. Hey, look, it's the Bacon Falcon.
Bacon Falcon.
Falcon Bacon.
No, it's Bacon Falcon.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. But anyway, and also Reddit to Death Streak. Yeah, we've been talking about him much.
It's so sad.
Oh god, Death Streak. But Death Streak, you're just as awesome, and y'all are both hilarious.
Yeah, just a couple seconds ago we were watching the videos.
Yeah, we were kind of watching them, and Death Streak, I feel bad for you when you got choked by little kids.
That was pretty funny though.
And I think that's about it. Anything you want to say?
I don't think so. Sad.
Okay, well, peace.
Yeah.
This is Alex and Jordan. So, bye.